Hello teachers, in today's video, we are going to learn the phonic sound of I, J, K and L. So let's begin. The sound of I is E. For example, ing. For the sound of I, just slightly open the mouth. Then the sound of J is J. For example, joker. For the sound of J, your tongue should touch the roof. It's J. Then the sound of K is K. It's K. For example, kite. Just blow the air for K sound. Then the sound of L is L. It's L. For example, lion. Your tongue should touch just behind the upper teeth for L sound. Thank you so much. Follow for more.